Supposedly po, screening lang kumbaga yung mangyayari regarding the case pagdating po sa Kamara de Representantes. Pero parang ang dami rin po nagsasabi na parang naging mini trial po ito. Ano po ang tingin nyo dito?
Opo, well yan naman po ang naging posisyon natin. Although yung word na mini trial, I don't really want to dwell on that anymore kasi kahit po ang ating kagalang-galang na chairperson ng Committee on Justice, nililaw na rin naman yan, no? Na it's just a term and a clarificatory lang naman ang intention nila. So I don't really want to dwell on that out of respect na rin for the Committee on Justice and of course the Honorable Chairperson. Pero ang posisyon talaga namin at ito ay nilagay namin sa aming liham sa Committee on Justice the day before the previous hearing is yun nga, no, sa tingin namin kung ang trabaho or ang purpose ng Committee on Justice rather is to determine probable cause, it must be confined doon sa nakalaan o nakasaad sa mga reklamong inihain at doon sa mga attachments, maging ebidensya ba ito, affidavits na naka-attach doon. No? Now, once we go beyond that, and we are asking for documents no after the accusations have been made, sa tingin namin lumalampas na ito no sa initiation or sa pure determination of probable cause at kaya nga nilagay namin ang posisyon namin that if we are venturing into something like somewhat like a trial, ito ay malinaw naman na ibinigay na kapangyarihan sa Senado sa ating saligang batas. No? Sa ating saligang batas, just to be clear, ang initiation is exclusively with the House of Representatives. We are not contesting that. Pero pagdating naman po sa trial, that is exclusively vested upon the Senate. Kaya gusto lang namin ilahad na sa aming posisyon mukhang nagkakaroon na ng blurring no? Or meron ng infringement na nangyayari dito. But of course, again, that is with all due respect to the committee. I'm sure they have their own position and yun nga, may dun sa nakaraang hearing, I think may mga hindi nagustuhan yung aming sulat. We regret na ganun yung naging effect because that was really not the intention. The intention as lawyers is to protect the right of our client at kailangan namin ilahad yung aming posisyon.